4th annual Green Home and Energy Show. It is a fantastic gathering of businesses that focus on clean energy, green buildings, sustainable home products, you name it, making your home more efficient, more comfortable. In addition, we have 20 workshops happening throughout the day. These are all included with admission. We have topics like Building Science 101, installing solar and batteries, heat pumps.
Got a lot of people over here talking about everything from solar to heat pumps to generators to electrical work, EV chargers, working with them and answering some questions that they might have. I know a lot of stuff going on with the recent weather, being able to install a heat pump and have some solar on there to power that heat pump. Great investment in your home. And you get the federal tax credit now too, so really nice option for people.
I'm the owner of Royal River Heat Pumps, and we exclusively do Mitsubishi electric heat pumps of all types and sizes, wall mount units, ceiling units, ducted units. And it's a great place to be today because there are a lot of people interested in heat pumps, and it's just a great atmosphere here.
In addition to over 70 exhibitors this year, we have an Electric Vehicle Expo. This is an awesome opportunity for people who are thinking about buying an electric car because you can actually test drive multiple types of electric cars here. So you don't have to drive around to all the dealerships. You can just go to one place and drive all these cars. We have a Maine Makers Fair, so we have sustainable products for your home. Those are available for purchase here. This year we added a Sustainable Landscape Expo. So this is something that was a result of the feedback from our surveys in the last couple of years. So we have people educating about native plants, we have organic gardening, composting, living soil, you name it. In the Sustainable Landscape Expo, we have exhibitors, and we also have a track of workshops all day on topics ranging from native plants to planting for climate resiliency, planting for wildlife, just really awesome content. Every year we select a nonprofit beneficiary partner for the event, and we donate a portion of the ticket proceeds to the nonprofit.
I'm with the Wild Seed Project, and we're this year's beneficiary of the Green Home and Energy Show. The money will make a difference. We're building this big native seed center in Cape Elizabeth. It's going to grow a lot of our own genetically diverse seeds so we can sell and other people can plant, but also we can get information out here to people by telling them about our native seeds and the importance of growing native plants. We're very happy that they selected us this year.
We've been doing this for 4 years now, and after today's event, we will have donated over $14,000 to Maine nonprofits.